Hello, my lovely kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Math Skill Class 7 by G. Ram Books. So today we are starting Chapter 4, Rational Numbers. See, learning outcomes. In this chapter, you will learn about facts about rational numbers, positive and negative rational numbers, equivalent rational numbers, standard form of a rational number, representation of rational numbers on the number line, comparison of rational numbers between two rational numbers, operations on rational numbers, decimal numbers as rational or irrational numbers. Now boot up to recapitulate previous knowledge of concepts. Competency based question. The first one, A part, multiple choice question. The first, which of the following rational number is the smallest? हमारे पास क्या है? One number 4 by 9 minus 5 upon 6. This is minus 7 upon minus 12. So it becomes positive 7 upon 12, and this is minus 11 upon 24. So out of these two, minus 5 by 6 and minus 11 by 24, which number is smallest? So we can do cross multiply. So here minus 120 and this is minus 66. So which number is smallest? Minus 5 by 6 is the answer, right? The second one, the reciprocal of a negative rational number is always a negative rational number. Okay. The third one, dash is a rational number equal to its negative 0. 0 is the rational number equal to its negative, right? The fourth one, which of the following rational number is in the standard form? So standard form means lowest term. See here which one is in the standard form. See, minus 9 by 28, we can't cut it further. 26 upon 78, इन्हें हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. This is not in the standard form. Minus 14 by 16, इसे भी हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं by 2. This is not the standard form. And similarly 48 upon minus 96, ये भी हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं further. So what is the standard form? Which one is in the standard form? This one, minus 9 upon 28. This is the answer. Now B part, filling the blanks. The first one, multiplicative inverse of 0 is, that is not defined because that is infinity, right? So the second one, the reciprocal of dash is equal to itself. किस नंबर का उल्टा, यानी 1 का अगर हम रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे that is 1 only, और -1 का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे that is -1 only. So the reciprocal of 1 and -1, they are equal to those numbers only. The third one, dash is an additive identity for rational numbers. Rational number में हम क्या add करें so that we get the same number, that is 0. The fourth one, dash is a multiplicative identity for rational numbers. Rational number को हम किससे multiply करें so that we get the same number, that is 1 only. Now C part, write T for true and F for false statements. The first one, any fraction with non-zero denominator is a rational number. Yes, this is true. The second one, any rational number can be written as a fraction as well as a decimal. Yes, this is true. The third one, every integer is not a rational number. No, every integer is a rational number. So this is false. The fourth one, a number is a rational number if we can write it as a fraction where both numerator and denominator are integers. So this is also false, right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now introduction. Have you ever thought how our life would be without numbers? Numbers define virtually every aspect of our daily life, like our address, phone number, age, size of clothes, quantity of commodities like milk, fruits and vegetables, etc. Actually, our life revolves around numbers in some way or the other. Okay, we can't imagine our life without numbers. So numbers which we have already studied are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions. So let us understand with examples the need for extending the number system further. We can easily represent a hot air balloon flying at the height of 2 upon 3 kilometers above sea level. But how do we represent a whale swimming 1 by 5 kilometers below sea level? Can we represent this depth as minus 1 by 5 kilometers? It is neither an integer nor a fraction. So we have not dealt with such numbers till now. Therefore, to express such numbers, the need to extend our number system arises. So such numbers are categorized as rational numbers. इन नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमने नंबर सिस्टम को और एक्सटेंड कर दिया और these numbers are said to be rational numbers. So a number in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is called a rational number. So a rational number has a numerator and a denominator, where denominator is not equal to 0. The set of rational numbers is denoted by q, capital Q, right? So 1 by 3 minus 5 by 4, 13 upon minus 4, 10 upon 21, 0, 9, 3.6. These all are rational numbers. So rational numbers include all number systems learned till now. That is whole numbers, natural numbers, fractions, integers, etc. जितने भी नंबर्स हैं, चाहे वो होल नंबर हो, नेचुरल नंबर हो, इंटीजर्स हो या फिर फ्रैक्शंस हो, वो सब कहाँ पर आ जाएंगे? रेशनल नंबर्स में, राइट? So now some important facts about rational numbers. Fact 1. Every natural number is a rational number. Why? Like 3. 3 we can write 3 upon 1. 5, 5 upon 1. So this is a rational number. 3 is a rational number, 5 is a rational number, right? Now fact 2, 0 is a rational number. 0 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 0 upon 1 और 0 upon minus 1, 0 upon 2, हम कुछ भी डिनोमिनेटर में कोई भी नंबर लिख दें 0 के नीचे, it will remain 0 only. So 0 is a rational number. So here the quotient is 0 in each case and the denominators are non-zero integers. Fine. Now fact 3. Every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number is not a fraction. See, 1 by 2 is a fraction and 1 by 2 is a rational number. So every fraction is a rational number. If I take minus 1 by 2, this is a rational number but not a fraction, right? So converse is not true. All rational numbers are not fractions. Fine. Now fact 4. Every integer is a rational number. कोई भी इंटीजर है उसको हम रेशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, like 1, 1 upon 1, minus 1, minus 1 upon 1, minus 3 upon 1. So any integer, say p, can be written as p upon 1, which is a rational number. Fine. So I hope these points are clear to you. Now the next we are talking about positive and negative rational number. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator either both positive or both negative. या दोनों positive हो numerator and denominator या फिर दोनों negative हो तो वो rational number क्या बन जाएगा? हमारा positive. See 6 upon 9 minus 15 upon minus 9 दोनों नेगेटिव हैं. 19 upon 8 both are positive. Minus 72 upon minus 40 both are negative. 73 upon 27 both are positive. So these are what? These are positive rational numbers. Right? Now a rational number is said to be negative. Negative कब होगा? If its numerator and denominator are such that one of them is a positive and the other is a negative integer. दोनों में से एक positive है और एक negative है, then it becomes a negative rational number. See, minus 5 upon 3, 7 upon minus 4, minus 19 upon 6. These all are negative rational numbers. I hope these are clear to you. So now the next is equivalent rational numbers. जैसे हम equivalent fractions find करते हैं, same we are able to find equivalent rational numbers. See, the two rational numbers are said to be equivalent if one rational number is obtained from the other by either multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero integer. See, if we have to find any equivalent rational number of a given rational number, then what to do? Multiply numerator and denominator by the same non-zero integer या फिर divide कर देंगे. See, for example, minus 3 upon 5. So multiply कर दे 2 से. So multiply by 2, multiply by 2. What we are getting? Minus 6 upon 10. So this is an equivalent rational number of minus 3 upon 5. Right? अब हमारे पास minus 6 upon 10 है. इसका हमें equivalent find करना है. तो इसको हम divide भी कर सकते हैं. 6 and 10 both are divisible by 2. So divided by 2 minus 6 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, we are getting minus 3 by 5. Right? So I hope these are clear to you. जब आप practice करेंगे, it would be more clear to you. So now factometer, we can find infinite equivalent rational numbers. हम जितने मर्जी equivalent rational numbers कोई भी given rational number के find out कर सकते हैं. Infinite, right? Now the next is standard form of a rational number. A rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if q is positive and the integers p and q have no common factor other than 1, right? So, see here, let us attempt some examples. Example 1, find three rational numbers equivalent to each of the given rational numbers. The first one is 2 by 3. 2 upon 3 दोनों को multiply कर दे 2 से, फिर 3 से, फिर 4 से, any number you can choose, right? So what are you getting? You are getting 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12. So these are equivalent rational numbers. Now the second part, 3 upon minus 4, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 4. So what we are getting? 6 upon minus 8, 9 upon minus 12, 12 upon minus 16. So by this way we can find so many rational numbers, right? Now the third part, minus 7 upon 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 4. So what we are getting? Minus 14 by 4, minus 21 by 6, minus 28 upon 8. Right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now come to next example 2. Express minus 7 by 9 as a rational number with the denominator 18. The first part is 18. हमें minus 7 by 9 को change करना है so that denominator becomes 18. अब आप देखो 9 से 18 कैसे आएगा? You know very well 9 2s are. So 9 into 2 minus 7 into 2. So what is that? This is minus 14 upon 18, right? Now the second part 36. अब हमें denominator को 36 बनाना है. So 9 multiply by 4 and minus 7 multiply by 4. So minus 28 upon 36. So very easy. You can try many more questions. Now example 3. Express 66 upon minus 198 as a rational number with numerator. The first part is 6. हमें क्या करना है, इस रेशनल नंबर में न्यूमरेटर को 6 बनाना है. So you know very well 66 से हम 6 कैसे लाएंगे? Of course by division, right? So to get numerator 6 we have to find a number which on dividing the numerator 66 gives 6. So which number? By 11. So 66 divided by 11 we get 6. यानी हमने क्या करना है, इन दोनों को 11 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. So what we are getting? 6 as numerator and minus 18 as denominator. So this is the answer. Now see second part. We want 33 as numerator. यानी 66 से 33 कैसे आएगा? If we divide it by 2. तो हम दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. So it becomes 33 and here it is minus 99. So I hope these are clear to you. Now see the next here. Example 4. Express each of the following rational numbers in standard form. Standard form means denominator is positive and both the numbers, they don't have any common factor other than 1. So see, minus 28 and minus 42. दोनों minus sign है, so it becomes positive, right? 28 upon 42. They have done what they have done. They are multiplying by minus 1 and minus 1. Then they are positive. Now 28 and 42 both are cancelled by 7. So 7 से cancel कर दे. 4 by 6 and then cancel by 2. Okay, or directly you can do the HCF of 28 and 42 is 14. तो दोनों को 14 से cancel कर देंगे. Answer is 2 upon 3. I hope this is very much clear to you. The second part, 60 upon minus 225. So this is a negative one. तो इस negative को हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can write with the numerator. So it becomes minus 60 upon 225. Now their HCF is 15. दोनों को 15 से cancel कर दें. 15 fours and 15s are 225. So what is answer? Answer is minus 4 upon 15. Now come to next example 5. Are the following rational numbers equivalent? क्या ये दोनों equivalent है? तो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? हम इनको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से भी चेक कर सकते हैं. Means like this. Minus 7 into minus 6 and 14 into 8. So minus 7 into minus 16, 112. 8 into 14, 112. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट सेम है. It means these are equivalent, right? Similarly, second part, 5 upon minus 3 minus 15 upon 18. So 5 into 18 and minus 15 into minus 3. 5 into 18 is 90 and minus 15 into minus 3 is 45. Both are not same, so these are not equivalent, right? Now the next example 6. Find the value of x such that first part minus 8 upon 20 equals to x upon 5. So how we can do it? We can do by cross multiplication. Minus 8 into 5 and x into 20. हमें x find out करना है. 20 को हम other side shift कर देंगे. So 20 will go down. So minus 8 into 5 by 20. Cut it. 5 fours are, 4 twos are. Answer is minus 2. Now come to second part. X upon 13 equals to minus 8 upon 39. इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे. इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे. X multiply 39 minus 8 into 13. 39 को हम नीचे ले आएंगे. Now cut it by 13. 13 threes are 39. Answer is minus 8 upon 3. So I hope these are clear to you. Now come to exercise 4.1 based on such type of examples. See question number 1. Write the numerator and the denominator of each of the following rational numbers. Like here second part, numerator is 7 and denominator is 13. So you can try remaining parts, very simple. The second one are the following rational numbers, positive or negative. See second part, both are negative, so it is a positive rational number. Third part, both are negative, it is a positive rational number. Okay. Now here fourth part, denominator is negative. Okay. So this is a negative rational number. Now come to third question, filling the boxes. The first part, 3 upon minus 11 equals to 21 upon dash equals to dash upon minus 99. So these all are equivalent. Now see, 3 and 21, what is the relation? 3 into 7. So minus 11 into 7, minus 77. Okay. And then see the next one. Here minus 11 minus 99, minus 11 से minus 99 कैसे आएगा? अगर हम multiply by 9 करेंगे तो ऊपर भी हम multiply by 9 कर दें. So we are getting 27. Right? So I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try second part. The fourth question, write each of the following rational numbers with a positive denominator. यानी जहाँ पे denominator negative है वहाँ पे हमें उसे positive बनाना है. Like third part, minus 13 upon minus 27, we can write because minus minus cancelled. Now here fourth part, 39 upon minus 59. So this minus we can write with the numerator, no problem. Okay? अगर कोई नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर है तो माइनस साइन चाहे हम न्यूमरेटर के साथ लगाएं, चाहे हम डिनोमिनेटर में लगाएं, चाहे हम सेंटर में लगाएं, there is no problem. It doesn't matter, right? So now the fifth question, write each of the following rational numbers with a positive numerator. यानी numerator should be positive. Like third part, minus 47 upon minus 35. So minus minus cancelled, 47 upon 35. Then fourth part, minus 47 upon 38 है. माइनस को हम कहाँ लगा देंगे? डिनोमिनेटर के साथ. So no problem, right? Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now sixth question, express minus 3 by 7 as a rational number with denominator. हमें denominator change करना है. Third part 63 minus 3 by 7 rational number given है. 7 को 63 कैसे बनाएं? 7 nines are. So 3 nines are. So answer is minus 27 upon 63. Right? So you can try remaining parts. Now come to next seventh question. Express 8 upon minus 13 as a rational number with numerator. अब हमें numerator को change करना है. Like third part 40. 8 upon minus 13 है. 8 को 40 कैसे बनाएंगे? 8 5s are. So minus 13 into 5. So here 40 upon minus 65. This is the answer, right? You can try remaining parts. Question number 8. Express minus 72 upon 360 as a rational number with denominator. Like here third part minus 20. Rational number हमारे पास है this one. और डिनोमिनेटर को बनाना है हमें minus 20. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव बना दें. ओके, अब 360 से 20 हाउ वी कैन गेट, यानी 360 को हम किससे डिवाइड करें सो दैट वी आर गेटिंग 20 मीन्स डिवाइड बाय 18. So divide by 18. So 4 upon minus 20. Okay, very simple. Now similarly you can try remaining part. Now question number 9. Express 420 upon minus 720 as a rational number with numerator like third part 70. यानी numerator में हमें 70 बनाना है. 420 से 70 means divide करेंगे. किस नंबर से? 6 से डिवाइड कर दें. right? And here also 6. So 70 upon minus 120. So like this you can try remaining parts. Now the 10th question, write the following rational numbers in standard form. Here third part minus 24 upon minus 72. First of all हम positive बना देंगे. Okay. Now cut it by their HCF. So किससे cut करें 24 से? So we are getting 1 by 3. Right? So you can try remaining parts. Now the 11th question, check if the following pairs of rational numbers are equivalent. अब हमें check करना है, like third part minus 3 by 8 minus 6 by 16. So cross multiply, minus 3 multiply 16 minus 6 multiply 8. So minus 48 minus 48, both are equal. So yes, these are equivalent. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the 12th question, find x such that, like here third part, x कैसे find करें? X equals to minus 5 into 112. दोनों को multiply कर देंगे, right? Minus 560. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, representation of rational numbers on the number line. Very interesting topic. Now we know how to represent integers on a number line. So representation of rational numbers on a number line is quite similar to the representation of integers. Let's see. Here let us represent 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 3 on a number line. Step 1, draw a line and mark 0 at a point O. हम एक line draw कर लेंगे, 0 point mark कर लेंगे, उसको हम O point assume कर लेंगे, right? Now step 2, mark unit lengths OA and OA dash to the right and left of O respectively. Point A represents plus 1 and A dash represents minus 1. Now mark plus 1 on the right side of 0 and minus 1 on the left side of 0. Let it be A and A dash, right? Now step 3, now divide OA and OA dash into 3 equal parts as shown below. हमारे पास denominator में 3 है. So what we are doing? 0 और 1 के बीच में we are taking 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, right? Similarly, 0 and minus 1 के बीच में 1, 2, 3, right? Now, step 4, mark the equal parts as shown, okay? Now, we have to show 1 by 3. So, the first part is representing 1 out of 3, 1 by 3, and minus 1 by 3 on the left side of 0, that is minus 1 by 3. So, we can see P and P dash represents 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3, right? So, we can see minus 1 by 3 is the left of 0 and is at the same distance from 0 as 1 by 3 is to its right. Now, can you find where minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 will be? Yes, this is 2 by 3 and this is minus 2 by 3, okay? So, of course, minus 2 by 3 lies midway between minus 1 by 3 and minus 1, and 2 by 3 lies midway between 1 by 3 and 1, right? This is 2 by 3 and this is minus 2 by 3. So, very simple, very easy. Now, come to next, comparison of rational numbers. Compare कैसे करना है rational numbers को? We can compare two rational numbers by two different methods. The first one, comparing the numerators. First, convert the given numbers into rational numbers with the denominator equal to LCM of their denominator and then compare their numerator. So what to do? हमें क्या करना है? Denominators को same बनाना है. अगर denominators different हैं, उनका LCM लेना है. See how to do. Let us compare minus 1 by 2 and 1 upon minus 5. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम माइनस को लगा देंगे न्यूमरेटर के साथ. सो -1/2 एंड -1/5. सी डिनोमिनेटर्स डिफरेंट. एलसीएम लेंगे 2 एंड 5 का. दिस इज 10. अब हम चेंज कर देंगे डिनोमिनेटर्स को एलसीएम में, यानी 2 को हम 10 कैसे बनाएंगे, 2 5 एंड ऊपर भी हमें करना पड़ेगा -1 into 5. So this becomes -5/10. Similarly, the next one -1/5. 5 को 10 में चेंज करना है, 5 into 2. So -1 into 2, -2/10, right? Now denominators same. Now compare numerators. So -5 and -2. So you can see which one is bigger. You know -2 is greater than -5. That's why -2/10 is greater than -5/10, and therefore -1/2 is less than -1/5. Right? Very simple. Now the second part, by cross multiplying. By cross multiplying the numerator of first with denominator of second and numerator of second with the denominator of first. We have done earlier also. See, to compare A upon B and C upon D, what to do? A multiply D and B multiply C, right? Now, if A into D is greater than C into B, it means first fraction is greater than second fraction, right? And if A into D is less than B into C, it means second fraction is bigger than the first one. Or if both are equal, it means both the fractions are equal, right? Now factometer. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. We know very well. Every negative rational number is less than 0. Okay. The next point, every negative rational number is less than every positive rational number. We know that. And we can compare two negative rational numbers by ignoring their signs and then reversing their orders. Okay. So I hope these points are clear to you. Now rational numbers between two rational numbers. अब हमारे पास two rational numbers given है, उनके बीच के हमें rational numbers find करने हैं. This is very simple. We can find infinite rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Let us see how. Let us consider 2 upon 5 and 3/4. Now what to do? First of all, हमें denominator को same बनाना है. So what we can do? Reduce both of them to equivalent rational numbers having denominator equal to their LCM. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So what to do? 2 upon 5, 5 into 4, 2 into 4. 8 upon 20 and 3/4, 4 into 5, 3 into 5. 15 upon 20. अब इन दोनों rational numbers के बीच में which numbers lie? You can see 8 और 15 के बीच में 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So rational numbers क्या आ जाएंगे? 9 upon 20, 10 upon 20, 11 upon 20, 12/20, 13/20 and 14/20. So these all are rational numbers lie between these two, right? So अगर हमें इससे ज़्यादा भी numbers find out करने हैं, then what to do? Now we can change the denominator again. इसको हम जितना बड़ा बनाएंगे उतने ज़्यादा numbers आ जाएंगे. So what we can do? हमने 20 को क्या बना दिया? 200 means multiply by 10, multiply by 10 means 80 upon 200, and here we are getting 150 upon 200. अब आप देखो 80 और 150 के बीच में so many numbers, 81, 82, 83, 84 like this, right? So this way we can find approximately 69 rational numbers. And similarly, if you change 20 to 2000 means multiply by 100. So what will you get? 800 upon 2000 and 1500 upon 2000. So we can find many more rational numbers, right? Now let us attempt some examples. Example 1. Represent 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 on the number line. So what to do? We have to draw a number line, okay, like this, okay, and mark point 0, and here right side 1 and left side minus 1, because denominator is 5, तो हम क्या करेंगे 0 और 1 के बीच में equal 5 parts ले लेंगे, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth one, right? Similarly, left hand side में equal 5 parts between 0 and minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now we have to show 3 by 5. So third part, count start 1, 2, 3, 3 by 5, and minus 3 by 5, 1, 2, 3, right? And we can give any name like here P, Q, R, S, and here P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, like this. Now example 2, represent 11 by 4 and minus 11 by 4 on the number line. So 11 by 4 is 2 whole 3 by 4. It means this number is more than 2 but less than 3. It means it lies between 2 and 3. So what to do? Draw a number line. Okay. Then हम क्या करेंगे? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this side minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Because this number is lying between 2 and 3. तो हम क्या करेंगे 2 और 3 के बीच में we will take 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Similarly that side between minus 2 and minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we have to show 2 whole 3 by 4. It means after 2 we will take 3 by 4, third part. So count it 1, 2, 3. It means R represents 11 by 4. Similarly, that side, here we will count 1, 2, 3. It means this is minus 11 by 4. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Very easy. Now example 3. Which of the two rational numbers in the given pairs is greater? We have to compare the rational numbers. See here. Here first part 18 upon 31 and 248 upon minus 315. You can see this is the positive rational number, this is a negative rational number, and we know very well a positive rational number is always greater than a negative rational number. Okay. Now the second one minus 8 by 13 and 0. This is negative and 0, and we know 0 is always bigger than, greater than a negative rational number. Fine. Now here 4 by 5 and 0. 4 by 5 positive rational number है और कोई भी positive rational number 0 से हमेशा बड़ा होता है. So 4 by 5 is greater than 0. Right? I hope these are clear to you. Now example 4. Arrange the rational numbers 2 upon minus 3, 8 upon 9 and minus 14 upon 15 in descending order, means decreasing order, means greatest to smallest. अब आप देखो हमारे पास 3 rational numbers हैं और इन तीनों में this is positive only, 8 upon 9. So it means 8 upon 9 is greatest one. Now 2 upon minus 3 and minus 14 upon 15. We can write minus 2 by 3 and minus 14 upon 15. Both are having different denominators. इनको same बनाएंगे यानी इनका LCM लेंगे. LCM is 15. So into 5, this into 5, we are getting minus 10 upon 15 and minus 14 upon 15 as it is. So which one is greater? Of course, minus 10 is greater than minus 14. So this number means minus 2 by 3 or 2 upon minus 3 is greater than minus 14 by 15. So this is the descending order, right? और अगर हमें इन्हें ascending में करना है तो हम वो भी कर सकते हैं, smallest to greatest. Fine. Now the next is example 5. Arrange these rational numbers minus 5 upon 7, 2 upon minus 15 and 11 upon minus 3 in ascending order, means increasing order, means smallest to greatest number. अब ये तीनों rational numbers negative हैं. तो हमें क्या करना है, इन तीनों के डिनोमिनेटर को सेम बनाना है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम नेगेटिव साइन को न्यूमरेटर के साथ लिख देंगे, यानी -5/7, -2/15 एंड -11/3. Now take the LCM of 7, 15 and 3, that is 105. Now -5/7 को हम चेंज करेंगे विद द डिनोमिनेटर 105. So 7 into 15, 5 into 15, -75/105. The second rational number -2/15, 15 into 7, -2 into 7, -14/105. Now third one -11/3. So 3 into 35 -11 into 35, -385/185. हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर्स ये आ जाएंगे, -385, -75 एंड -14. तो सबसे छोटा न्यूमरेटर कौन सा है, -385, then -75, then -14. So we can write in ascending order. So this is the ascending or increasing order, right? Now see next example 6. Find 7 rational numbers between -3 and -2. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इनके डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नहीं है, -3 और -2 के बीच में नंबर्स कैसे फाइंड करें, हम इनका डिनोमिनेटर ले लेंगे कुछ भी. You can multiply by 10, you can multiply by 20. So here multiply both by 10. So -3 into 10, 1 into 10. So -30/10. And this becomes -20/10. अब आप देखो -30 और -20 के बीच में कौन कौन से नंबर्स हैं, -21, -22, -23, -24, like this. So these are the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay. Now the next example 7. Find 5 rational numbers between -4/7 and -2/3. So take the LCM of denominator, that is 21. So same बना देंगे, यानी आ जाएगा आपके पास -12/21 and -14/21. अब इन दोनों के बीच में तो एक ही नंबर आएगा -13/21, बट हमें तो 5 नंबर्स चाहिए. सो व्हाट टू डू, वी आर चेंजिंग डिनोमिनेटर इनटू अ बिगर नंबर, यानी हम क्या कर दें, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 कर दें. वी आर गेटिंग -120/210 and -140/210. जितना बड़ा डिनोमिनेटर होगा उतने ज़्यादा आप नंबर्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ -120 एंड -140 के बीच में नंबर्स you can write down like this. So these are the rational numbers. Fine. So I hope these are clear to you. Now exercise 4.2, based on this type of example, see question number 1. Draw the number line and represent the following rational number on it. See third part, 2/5. So 2/5. So what to do? We can draw a number line like this, mark 0, mark this side 1, right side. Now we have denominator 5, so take 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth one. Now 2/5, count 1, 2. So this represents 2/5. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 2. In each of the following pairs of rational numbers, find the greater one. अब हमें compare करना है. Like third part 4/7 and 0. We know positive rational number is always greater than 0. Okay. Now like fifth part 7/19 and -5/38. So this is positive, this is negative. Of course, a positive rational number is always greater than a negative rational number. Okay. Now see next. Now the third question, in each of the following pairs of rational numbers, find the smaller one. Means comparison. So here, how we can do it, you know very well. Like the third part, 5 upon minus 6 means minus 5 by 6 you can write, and minus 7 upon 21. So cross multiply, minus 5 into 21, minus 7 into 6. So minus 105 minus 42. So minus 42 is greater than minus 105. So the first one is smaller. So this is the smaller one. Okay. Similarly, you can compare other parts. Now the fourth question, filling the box with the correct symbol out of greater than, equal to or less than. So same, you have to compare the rational numbers. You can try on your own. The fifth one, arrange in ascending order. Now we have some fraction. हमें arrange करना है. Ascending order means increasing order, means smallest to greatest. So see here we have 4 rational numbers. So minus 3 upon 5, first one, 4 upon 7, minus 3 upon 14 and 7 upon 10. But both are having different denominators. So what to do? We have to take the LCM of 5, 7, 14 and 10, then make the denominator same, then compare it, right? So try this one on your own. Now question number 6, arrange in descending order. Descending order means we have to write greatest to smallest. So here we have 4 rational numbers. So minus 1 by 5 and minus 3 by 10, 17 upon 15 and 13 upon 20. So make the denominator same. Take the LCM of these numbers. LCM is 60. Okay. अब हम 5 को 60 कैसे बनाएंगे? 5 into 12. So minus 1 into 12. So minus 12 by 60. Then second rational number, minus 3 into 6. Minus 18 upon 60. Then 15 fours are, so 17 into 4. 68 upon 60, and then 20 into 3, 13 into 3, 39 by 60. So smallest is this one, second one, this is the smallest one, and this is the greatest one. So first write 17 by 15 is greater than 13 by 20, then 1 upon minus 5 greater than minus 3 by 10. So this is the descending order, right? So similarly, you can try many more parts. Now question number 7, write 3 rational numbers between, like second part, minus 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 11. So what to do? Make the denominator same. इसको हम बना दें 33. So multiply by 11, multiply by 3. So what are you getting? Minus 22 upon 33, minus 9 upon 33. Now you can write the numbers between minus 9 and minus 22. So minus 10 upon 33, minus 11 upon 33, minus 12 upon 33. So like this, right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now come to 8th question, write 5 rational numbers between. Same like second part, minus 1 by 5 and 3 by 7, make the denominator same, 35 bana de. So into 7 and second number into 5. So minus 7 upon 35 and 15 upon 35. Now you can find the rational numbers, right? Now the next is operations on rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. How we can add. The addition of rational numbers is carried out in the same way as that of addition of fractions. If 2 rational numbers are to be added, we should first convert each of them into rational numbers with the positive denominator. See, the first one, rational numbers with the same denominator. अगर denominator same है, हमें क्या करना है? Simply numerators को add करना है. So to add 2 rational numbers with the same denominators, we simply add their numerators and divide the sum by the common denominator. See, suppose we have P upon Q and R upon Q. So Q is the common denominator and we have to add numerators P plus R, right? So let us attempt like example 1, add 5 upon 9 and 8 upon minus 9. So what to do first of all, इस minus को हम numerator के साथ लिख देंगे. So 5 upon 9 and minus 8 upon 9. Now add these two. So 9 as it is and add numerators 5 plus minus 8. You know, if one number is positive, one number is negative, then what to do? 5 minus 8, it becomes minus 3 upon 9 means minus 1 upon 3. See example to add 6 upon 11 and 13 upon 11. So 11 is the common denominator, add numerator 6 plus 13, 19 upon 11. Now second part, rational numbers with different denominators. To add rational numbers with different denominators, we follow these steps. The first one, in case the denominators of the given rational numbers are negative, then change them into positive denominator. सबसे पहले negative denominators को हमें positive बनाना है. Then the second one, find the LCM of the denominators. Then the third one, express each rational number with the LCM as the common denominator. And then the fourth, add the rational numbers. See how to do. Here let us attempt some examples. Example 1, add 5 upon minus 8 and minus 5 by 12. So 8 यहाँ पे denominator negative है. How we can write? Minus 5 upon 8. Now minus 5 upon 8 plus minus 5 by 12. Different denominators हैं. Take the LCM of 8 and 12. That is 24. So 8 into 3 minus 5 into 3. Minus 15 by 24. And the second one, minus 5 by 12 है. 12 into 2 minus 5 into 2. Minus 10 by 24. दोनों को add कर देंगे. 24 as it is लिखेंगे. Now add numerator minus 15 minus 10. So it becomes minus 25 upon 24. Right? Now come to next. Add 4 upon 5 and minus 3 by 4. Again we can see different denominators. Take the LCM of 5 and 4, that is 20. So 4 by 5, 5 into 4, 4 into 4, 16 upon 20 and minus 3 by 4, 4 into 5, 3 into 5, minus 15 upon 20. दोनों को add करेंगे. So here add numerator 16 plus minus 15, that is 1. So 1 upon 20. Okay. Now see example 3. Find the sum of three rational numbers minus 5 upon 8, minus 7 upon 12 and 11 upon 16. So denominators all are positive, right? Just take the LCM of denominators. LCM is 48. So minus 5 by 8, 8 into 6, 5 into 6, minus 30 upon 48. Minus 7 by 12, 12 into 4, minus 7 into 4, minus 28 upon 48. Then the third one, 11 upon 16, 16 into 3, 11 into 3, 33 upon 48. अब हम इन तीनों को ऐड कर देंगे जिसमें से दो नेगेटिव है और एक पॉजिटिव है. सो माइनस माइनस इन दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे एंड देन 33 माइनस कर देंगे. सो वी आर गेटिंग minus 25 upon 48, right? Now additive inverse property. For every rational number there exists a rational number such that their sum is equal to 0. हर एक रैशनल नंबर के लिए एक ऐसा नंबर एग्जिस्ट करता है कि उनका सम क्या बन जाए 0. See, if P by Q and R upon S are two rational numbers and their sum is 0, it means P upon Q is called the additive inverse of R by S and vice versa. See, additive inverse of 3 by 7 is minus 3 by 7. और ऐसे ही additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is plus 5 by 9, right? Now exercise 4.3 based on this type of example. See question number 1. Add the following rational numbers like third part minus 5 by 11 and 9 upon minus 11. So what we can write? Minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. Denominator is same. Just add the numerators. So it is minus 14 upon 11. Right? Now second question, add the following rational numbers like third part minus 7 upon 27 and 5 upon 18. So take the LCM of 18 and 27. So by 3, again by 3. So LCM is 54, right? तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको 54 बनाएंगे. 27 into 2, so 7 into 2, 18 into 3, so 5 into 3. So minus 14 upon 54 and 15 upon 54. इन दोनों को add कर दें. So now 54 as denominator, minus 14 plus 15, that is 1, right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now, third question, evaluate. See the second part, minus 12 by 7 plus 5 by 7 plus minus 4 by 7. So, all are having same denominator, all are like fractions. So, what to do? Just take the numerator. So, minus 12 plus 5 minus 4. So, what will you get? 12 and 4, 16. Minus 16 plus 5 minus 11 upon 7. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 4, simplify. Like second part, minus 7 upon 20 plus 14 upon minus 15 plus 1 upon 10. So what to do? Take the LCM of 20, 15 and 10. So what is the LCM? First by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, then by 2 you can take. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 3s are 60. So LCM is 60. Now change each denominator into 60. See minus 7 upon 20. So 20 into 3, 7 into 3, minus 21 upon 60. Then second one, minus 14 upon 15, 15 fours are, 14 fours are. So minus 56 upon 60. Then take next 1 upon 10, 10 into 6, 1 into 6, 6 upon 60. So these two are negative. Minus 21 minus 56. इन दोनों को हम add कर देंगे. We will get minus 77 upon 60 and this one plus 6 upon 60. So what will you get? Minus 71 upon 60. This is the answer of second one. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, the fifth one. Add and write the sum as a mixed fraction. See here, like the third part, minus 15 upon 7 and 23 upon minus 14. So what we can write? We can write minus 15 upon 7 plus minus 23 upon 14. Take the LCM. LCM is 14. So here 7 into 2. So 15 into 2 minus 30 plus this one as it is minus 23. So both are negative. We have to add these two. So what will you get? Minus 53 upon 14. Now we can change into mixed fraction. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to sixth question. Find the additive inverse of each of the following, means it's negative. Like seventh part, minus 2 by 9. So its negative is 2 upon 9, right? Now the eighth one, minus 13 upon minus 38. This is positive rational number. So its inverse is minus 13 upon 38. Okay. So I hope these are clear to you. Now see here, like the eighth question, Renu while making a summer drink mixes 3 whole 1 by 4 liter of rose flavor with 5 whole 1 by 5 liter of water. So what will be the quantity of drink made? She is adding rose flavor with this much water. It means 3 whole 1 by 4 plus 5 whole 1 by 5 total. So change into improper fraction. What are you getting? 13 by 4 plus 26 upon 5. Now LCM is 20. So what to do? So here 13 by 4, 4 into 5, 13 into 5, 65 upon 20, and this becomes 26 into 4, 5 into 4 means 104 upon 20. इन दोनों को हम add कर देंगे, then we can change into mixed fraction, right? Now come to next topic, subtraction of rational numbers. Same as addition we have done. See, we know that subtraction is the inverse of addition, which means in subtraction we add the additive inverse of one addend to the other addend. See here, if P upon Q and R upon S are any two rational numbers, then subtracting R upon S from P upon Q, what does it mean? It means that adding additive inverse of R upon S to P upon Q. हम P upon Q minus R upon S को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? P upon Q plus minus R upon S, right? So now see here, the subtracting a rational number means adding its additive inverse. As I told you, P upon Q minus R upon S equals to P upon Q plus additive inverse of R upon S. So let us try some examples. Let us attempt example 1. Subtract minus 5 by 3 from minus 1 by 4. So what will you get? You will write minus 1 by 4 minus of 5 upon 3. So you know very well minus minus becomes plus, और आप इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर प्लस साइन लगाएंगे और इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स दैट इज 5 upon 3, right? So minus 1 by 4 plus 5 upon 3. Now these are unlike fraction. Take the LCM. LCM is 12. So make the denominator 12. Now we are getting minus 3 plus 20. So answer is 17 upon 12. Now example 2. What number should be added to minus 3 by 5 so as to get 15 upon 8? माइनस 3 by 5 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि 15 upon 8 रिजल्ट आ जाए? इट मीन्स रिजल्ट में से इस नंबर को हम कर देंगे माइनस. सो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर इज 15 upon 8 minus 3 upon 5. और हाउ वी कैन राइट इट? 15 upon 3 plus its additive inverse 3 upon 5. So now these are unlike fraction. Take the LCM of denominators, that is 40. So now make the denominator same. So you will get 75 plus 24. Now answer is 99 upon 40. You can change into mixed fraction also. Now the next is example 3. The sum of two rational numbers is given minus 4, and if one number is minus 9 by 7, find the other. So what to do? सम में से नंबर को माइनस कर देंगे. The sum of two rational number is minus 4 and the one number is minus 9 by 7. So the other number is sum minus this number. So minus 4 minus bracket minus 9 by 7. How we can write it? Minus 4 plus its inverse 9 upon 7. So now add these two. These are unlike fractions. Take the LCM. LCM is 7. Now add the numerators. So what we are getting? Minus 19 upon 7. Right? I hope these are clear to you. Now come to example 4. On a fruit stall, 1 by 4 are bananas, 1 by 5 are oranges, and 1 by 3 are kiwis. The remaining are watermelons. What part of the stall has watermelons? So, quantity of bananas 1 by 4, quantity of oranges 1 by 5, and quantity of kiwis 1 by 3. So total quantity इन तीनों को add कर देंगे. So you know very well how to add these three fractions. So they are unlike fractions. Take the LCM. LCM is 60. So what we are getting? 15 plus 12 plus 20. So that is 47 upon 60. Now the rest is watermelons. So quantity of watermelons 1 minus this fraction. Okay, 1 whole. So here you know very well how to subtract. So 1 means 1 upon 1. Take the LCM. LCM is 60. So what we are getting? 60 minus 47. Answer is 13 upon 60. So very good question. Now the next is exercise 4.4 based on such type of examples like question number 1. Subtract, like here, fourth part 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 8. So what we can write? We can write directly. These are like fractions, so 8 and 3 minus 7. So you know 1 is plus and 1 is minus. Plus minus, minus कर देंगे. So 4, 7 is bigger, so minus 4 upon 8, and we can write it like this, minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 2, subtract. Like here, second part, 3 upon minus 7 from minus 19 upon 21. It means minus 19 upon 21 minus 3 upon 7. So what we can write? Minus 19 upon 21 plus sign, and its additive inverse is 3 upon 7. Now make the denominator same. LCM is 21. So what will you get? Minus 19 plus 7 into 3. 3 into 3, that is 9. So minus 10 upon 21 is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Like the second part, dash plus 15 upon 23 equals to 4. So it means one number we have to find and the sum is given. So how we can find this number? So 4 minus 15 upon 23. So here nothing means 1. Now take the LCM, 23. So 23 into 4, 92, minus 23 into 1, 15 into 1, minus 15. दोनों को minus कर देंगे. You will get the answer, right? I hope you can try remaining parts. Now here the next, like the sixth question, the sum of two rational number is minus 7. If one of the number is minus 15 upon 9, find the other number. तो other number कैसे find करेंगे? Sum में से first number को minus कर देंगे. So how we can write it? We can write minus 7 plus 15 upon 9. Now these are unlike rational numbers, so what to do? 9, take 9 LCM, then you can have minus 63 plus 15. Now we can evaluate it, right? Now see the next, the seventh one. Sohail and Ruby go for a morning walk in the park every day. Sohail covers 2 whole 1 by 3 kilometer and Ruby covers 2 whole 3 by 5 kilometer. So who covered a greater distance and by how much? Now these are what? Here Sohail covers 2 whole 1 by 3 kilometer. It means 7 by 3 kilometer. And this is 13 by 5 kilometer. Compare these two. So 7 by 3 and 13 by 5. Cross multiply 35. This is 39. It means 13 by 5. This is more than this one. So Ruby covers more distance. And how much? So इन दोनों को minus कर देंगे. So 13 by 5 minus 7 by 3, right? These are unlike rational numbers. So we can change into like equivalent rational numbers and then find the answer. Now I hope you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, multiplication of rational numbers. अब two rational numbers को multiply कैसे करना है? The product of two rational numbers is obtained just like the product of two fractions. जैसे हम fraction में करते थे, same. We know that the product of two fractions equals to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. The same rule holds true for the rational numbers also. Product of two rational numbers equals to product of numerators divided by product of denominators, right? See, in general, if P upon Q and R upon S are any two rational numbers, then their product is P into R upon Q into S, right? For example, see the first part, 9 upon 7 multiplied by minus 5 upon 6. So 9 multiply minus 5, 7 into 6. So minus 45 upon 42. Similarly, second part, minus 4 by 11 into 8 by 9. So minus 4 into 8, 11 into 9. So this is minus 32 upon 99, right? I hope these are clear to you. Now here factometer, positive into positive equals to positive. अगर हम दो positive numbers को multiply करते हैं, it becomes positive only, and negative into negative, it is also positive. अगर हम दो negative numbers को multiply करते हैं, that becomes positive only, right? The third one, positive into negative, that becomes negative. अगर एक positive number है, एक negative number है, उन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, you will get negative number only, right? The next one is negative and one is positive. एक negative है, एक positive है, उनका multiplication, that is negative only, right? So I hope these points are clear to you. Come to next, रेसिप्रोकल और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. किसी भी रेशनल नंबर का इनवर्स यानी मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स और रेसिप्रोकल कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? सी, फॉर एवरी नॉन जीरो रेशनल नंबर देयर एग्जिस्ट अ रेशनल नंबर such that their product is equal to 1. In general, if P upon Q and R upon S are any two rational numbers such that P upon Q into R upon S equals to 1 and R upon S into P upon Q, that is also 1. So P upon Q is called the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of R upon S and vice versa. See, for example, reciprocal of 19 upon 8 is 8 upon 19. जब आप इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, you will get product 1 only, right? Okay, now see the next. Note, the reciprocal of P by Q is written as P upon Q raised power minus 1. For example, minus 7 upon 13 whole power is minus 1. तो माइनस 1 को हम प्लस 1 कैसे बनाएंगे? हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे, यानी 13 अपॉन माइनस 7, राइट? नाउ फैक्टोमीटर, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रेशनल नंबर एंड इट्स मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स इज ऑलवेज 1. And the next point, 1 and minus 1 are two numbers. These are two only rational numbers which are their own reciprocals, and 0 has no reciprocal value, right? Now we are doing some examples. Let us attempt example 1. Simplify the first part, minus 21 upon 6 into minus 4. And the second part, 5 upon 9 multiplied by 27 upon minus 25. See here the first part, minus 21 upon 6 multiplied by minus 4. So what to do? We can write minus 4 upon 1. Now here we can do cancellation also. We can do like this, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. Okay, then 7 into 2, answer is 14, right? Now similarly second part, 5 upon 9 into 27 upon minus 25. So minus को हम ऊपर भी लिख सकते हैं numerator के साथ. So now you can cancel the terms. 9 3s are 5 5s are. So 3 upon minus 5, that is minus 3 upon 5. Similarly, example 2, multiply the first one, minus 6 upon 13 by 29 upon 4. So minus 6 upon 13, multiply 29 upon 4. See any cancellation? Yes, we can cancel it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now no cancellation. So multiply 3 and 29, that is 87, minus है तो minus 87, 13 2s are 26, right? Now the second part, 8 upon 17 by minus 2. So 8 upon 17 multiply minus 2 upon 1, no cancellation. So 8 into minus 2, minus 16 upon 17. I hope these are clear to you. Now see example 3. Find the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of, like the first part 15. Its reciprocal is 1 upon 15. Second part minus 7. Its reciprocal is 1 upon minus 7 or minus 1 upon 7. Okay. Then third part minus 27 upon 19. So we can write 19 upon minus 27 or minus 19 upon 27. Then the fourth part minus 8 upon 9 multiply by 27 upon minus 24. So first evaluate it. इसे हम simplify करें. 9 3s are 27, 8 3s are 24, 3 3 cancel and minus minus it becomes plus 1. So its reciprocal is 1 only, right? Now exercise 4.5 based on such type of example. See question number 1, true or false. Like see the third part, the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 upon 8 is 8 upon 9. Is it true? No, it should be minus 8 upon 9. So this statement is false, right? Similarly, fourth part, the reciprocal of minus 8 is 8. No, it is minus 1 upon 8. The fifth one, 0 has no reciprocal. So this is true statement. ऐसे ही आप check कर सकते हैं. Sixth one, right? Now question number 2, multiply. See third part, 11 upon 6 by 36. So 11 upon 6 multiply by 36. So 6 6 are 36. So 11 into 6, that is 66, right? Similarly, see the fifth part, minus 15 upon 4 multiply by 12 upon minus 5. दोनों negative है, answer would be positive. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. So 3 into 3, answer is 9. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 3. Simplify. Like here, second part, minus 7 upon 30 into 5 upon 14. So 5 6 are, 7 2s are. So here 1 1. So minus 1 upon 12. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to next question number 4. Multiply, again multiplication. Like second part, 3 upon 11 multiply by 55 upon minus 60. We can write minus 55 upon 60. So एक positive है, एक negative है. Answer would be negative. 11 5s are, then 3 से cut कर दें. Okay, you will get 20, then 5 and 20. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now here see the sixth question. Multiply the sum of minus 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 3 by the product of 6 upon 13 and minus 26 upon 9. यानी इन दोनों का सम फाइंड करना है. minus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 3. फर्स्ट इन दोनों को आप ऐड करेंगे, फिर इनके प्रोडक्ट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इनके सम को, राइट? सो ट्राई दिस वन on your own. Now see the ninth question. An equilateral triangle has a side of 3 whole 1 by 7 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle. What is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? 3 into side. So 3 into this would be what? 21 plus 1, 22 upon 7. So now no cancellation. So 66 upon 7 we can change into mixed one. So answer is this one, 66 upon 7 centimeter, right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the next topic is division of rational numbers. In general, if P upon Q and R upon S are any two rational numbers such that R upon S is not equal to 0. So how we divide these two rational numbers? P upon Q divided by R upon S. तो हम कैसे करते हैं? डिवीजन को चेंज कर देते हैं मल्टीप्लाई में और सेकंड का हम क्या ले लेते हैं? रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ R अपॉन S. वो क्या बन जाएगा? S upon R. So let us try some examples. It would be clear to you. Now see, let us attempt example 1. The product of two rational numbers is minus 24 upon 23. If one of the numbers is minus 8 upon 3, find the other number. It means product को हम क्या करेंगे? इस number से divide कर देंगे. So the other number is minus 24 upon 23 divided by minus 8 upon 3. Now change this division into multiplication and take its reciprocal, that is minus 3 upon 8. Both are negative, तो आंसर क्या आएगा हमारा? पॉजिटिव. नाउ कट द टर्म्स, इफ वी कैन कैंसिल इट. सो 8 3s are okay. Now no cancellation. 3 into 3 9 upon 23 is the answer, right? Now example 2, divide. The first one, 8 upon 21 by 3 upon 7. So 8 upon 21 divided by 3 upon 7. Change division into multiplication. 7 upon 3, now 7 3s are. So here 8 upon 9. The second part, minus 8 upon 35 by 2 upon 7. So write down minus 8 upon 35 divided by 2 upon 7. Change division into multiplication. 7 upon 2, now 2 4s are, 7 5s are, minus 4 upon 5. Now the third part, 20 upon 21 divided by minus 5 upon 3. So change division into multiplication, take the reciprocal. It becomes minus 3 upon 5 or 3 upon minus 5, same thing. Now cancel the terms, 5 4s are, 3 7s are, एक positive है, एक negative है, तो answer would be negative. So 4 upon minus 7, right? Now example 3, by what number should minus 44 upon 3 be divided to get minus 11 upon 12? So minus 44 upon 3 divided by x, let it be x, divided by x equals to minus 11 upon 12. So how we can write it? It becomes multiply 1 upon x. So we have to find out x from here. So we can do what? We can shift this number to the other side. So 1 upon x equals to minus 11 by 12 divided by minus 44 upon 3, right? अब डिवीजन को चेंज कर देंगे मल्टीप्लाई में एंड रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे दिस नंबर का 3 upon minus 44. So now minus minus becomes plus. Cut the numbers. So we are getting 1 upon x equals to 1 upon 16. So x equals to 16. So I hope this is clear to you. जब आप practice करेंगे, the concept would be more clear to you. Now come to exercise 4.6 based on such type of examples. Question number 1, like simplify third part minus 12 upon 7 divided by minus 18. So how we can write? Minus 12 upon 7 multiply minus 1 upon 18. It's reciprocal. दोनों नेगेटिव हैं तो आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. Cut it by 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Now we can't cut it further. So answer is 2 upon 21. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, evaluate the following. So here, like the second part, 3 whole 4 by 7 divided by 5 upon 49. multiply 1 whole 1 by 4. So we can change this one into an improper first. So what will you get? 25 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 49 multiply 5 by 4. So first of all we have to simplify the brackets. So 25 upon 7 division change into multiplication. It becomes 49 upon 5 and this 5 by 4 as it is. Now cut the numbers. 5 5s are 7 7s are, right? So we are getting 5 into 7, 35 into 5 upon 4. So now no cancellation, multiply kar denge. What will you get? 175, okay, upon 4. Now you can convert into mixed one. So I hope this is clear to you. Right now here like this, the fifth question, by what number should we multiply minus 15 upon 28 so that the product is minus 5 upon 7. यानी प्रोडक्ट को हम डिवाइड कर देंगे इस नंबर से. So minus 5 upon 7 divided by minus 15 upon 28. So minus 5 upon 7 into 28 upon minus 15. दोनों नेगेटिव है, आंसर आएगा पॉजिटिव. कट द नंबर्स. 7 4s are, 5 3s are. So answer is 4 upon 3. Right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now here like 8th question, find the value of, like second part, minus 1 upon 9 divided by 3 by 4. So into 4 by 3. Now there is no cancellation. So minus 4 upon 27 is the answer. Now sixth part, 21 upon 9 divided by 9 upon 21. So 21 upon 9. Change division into multiplication. What will you get? Into 21 upon 9. We can cancel these number by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. So answer is 7 into 7, 49 upon 9. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Now we have decimal number as rational and irrational number. Very interesting and very important topic. We have learned how to convert a fraction into a decimal and a decimal into a fraction. Consider the rational number 2 upon 5. To convert this into a decimal form, we divide 2 by 5. You know very well how to divide 2 by 5. So 2 is smaller than 5. हम क्या करेंगे? Decimal लगा देंगे. Then 0. So decimal in the quotient as well. So we are getting 0.4, right? Similarly, if we are having 3 upon 4, it means divide 3 by 4. So what we are getting? 4 7s are 28. Then minus 2 we are getting. Then 1 0. 24 5s are 20. So this is 0.75. So the decimal form of 13 upon 5, ऐसे इसकी find करेंगे. This is 2.6 and 3 upon 8, that is 0.375. So in all the cases discussed here, the number of digits after the decimal point is finite. Okay. So such decimals are called terminating decimals. जैसे 1 upon 2 लो आप, that is 0.5. 1 upon 4, that is 0.25. So we are having finite number after decimal point, finite digits. So it means these are terminating decimals, right? Now here, now next take the rational numbers 2 upon 3, 1 upon 6, 11 upon 9. अब इनको चेक करते हैं. So 2 upon 3 means divide 2 by 3. So हम क्या करेंगे? Decimal लगाएंगे. Then it becomes 3 6 are 18, 0.6. Then 2 आ जाएगा. Then take 0, again 20, 3 6 are 18. Then again subtract 20, then 3 6 are 18. So what we are getting? We are getting same 20 18, 20 18. So here 0.666. It means this process is going on. The division process is non-ending, as number 6 will repeat without terminating. So such decimals are called non-terminating or repeating decimals. इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Non-terminating and repeating decimals. So we express 2 upon 3 equal to 0.666 and how we can write 0.6 bar. जो digit repeat हो रहा है उसके ऊपर हम bar लगा देंगे. The bar above the number 6 shows that it repeats endlessly, right? Now we consider 1 upon 6. अब हमने क्या consider किया? 1 upon 6 यानी 1 को 6 से divide करेंगे. So we will start with decimal 10, then 6 ones are 6, okay, then 40 we are getting over here, 6 6 are 36, then same 40, 36, 40, 36, 40, 36. It means here only number 6 repeats. So the decimal form of 1 by 6 can be written as 0.1666 और 0.16 बार. हम बार कहाँ पर लगाएंगे? 6 के ऊपर, right? The bar is only for 6 as the digit 6 repeats endlessly. So by seeing the above examples, we can conclude that those decimals which are terminating or repeating called rational numbers, and but those decimals which are non-terminating and non-repeating called irrational numbers, right? So for example, the value of pi is 3.14159265359 dash dash dash, which is non-terminating and non-repeating. So pi is an irrational number. So I hope rational number and irrational numbers concept is clear to you. So now this is the assessment time. So competency based question A part, multiple choice question. The first one, 4 upon 5 lies. See, first one, to left of the 0 on the number line or to right of 0 on the number line, this is positive. And sometimes to the left and sometimes to the right of 0 and none of these. This is not possible. So it is positive. So it lies to right of 0. Means answer is this second part. The second one, the standard form of minus 7 upon minus 35. It is positive. 1, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So 1 upon 5, second part. The third one, minus 25 upon 100 is equivalent to minus 1 upon 4, the first one. The fourth, minus 8 upon minus 35 is a or an positive rational number, integer, negative rational number, none of these. So it is a positive rational number because both are negative. So it is a positive rational number. Now the fifth one, if A, B and C are rational numbers such that A is less than B and B is less than C, then it means A is less than C. Now the sixth part, 2 upon 7 divided by 4 upon minus 7 is equal to, so 2 upon 7 into minus 7 upon 4. So this is minus 1 by 2, second part. Now the seventh question, additive inverse of minus 8 upon 11 is plus 8 upon 11, negative. Now the 8, 5 upon 31 minus 8 upon 31, that is equals to minus 3 upon 31. The ninth question, the reciprocal of minus 8 upon 5 is minus 5 upon 8 or 5 upon minus 8. The 10th question, minus 5 upon 31 plus 23 upon 31. Like hai, so 31 as denominator, 23 minus 5, 18 upon 31. Third part. Now come to B part, filling the blanks. The first one, a number of the form P by Q where P and Q are integers is called a rational number, right? The second one, a number of the form P upon Q where P and Q are positive integers is called a positive rational number. Fine. The third one, a rational number P upon Q is negative if either numerator or denominator is positive and numerator or denominator is negative. जब दोनों में से न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में से एक पॉजिटिव होगा और एक नेगेटिव होगा, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज fourth one, every negative rational number is less than 0, right? And the product of any rational number with 1 is the number itself, right? The sixth one, the sum of 0 and any rational number is the number, that rational number itself. The seventh one, the difference of two rational numbers is always a rational number, right? Eighth one, the sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Fine. And the ninth one, the absolute value of 0 is always 0. Okay. Now come to next C part. Write T for true and F for false statements. The first one, every fraction is not a rational number. No, every fraction is a rational number. So this statement is false. The second one, 36 upon 72 can be expressed as a rational number with denominator 2. Yes, अगर हम 36 से cancel कर दें, we will get 1 upon 2. So this statement is true. The third one, every integer is a rational number. Yes, true. The fourth one, 1 is the smallest rational number. No, this is false, right? And the fifth one, the absolute value of minus 8 upon 13 is 8 upon 13. Yes, this is true. Okay. Now the sixth one, the reciprocal of minus 1 is 1. No, this is false. The seventh, the product of a positive rational number and negative rational number is positive. No, it is negative only. This is also false. The eighth, the product of two rational numbers is a rational number. Yes, this is true. And the ninth, 0 is the only rational number which is its own negative. So yes, this is true. Okay. Now come to next D part, case study based question. Nehal, who is working in an IT company, earns rupees 2,50,000 per month. Out of his earning, he spent 1/10 on grocery, 1/4 on shopping, 1/5 of remaining on education of his kids, and rest of his money he puts in his savings. So answer these questions on the basis of the above data. The first one, how much money was left with him after spending on grocery and shopping? So grocery पे 1/10, आप इसका 1/10 find करेंगे, that would be this one 25,000, and shopping 1/4 on shopping. So take its 1/4, that would be 4 6 are 24, then 4 2s are 8, then 4 5s are 20, 62,500 on shopping. Then how much is left? इन दोनों को add कर देंगे और total में से minus कर देंगे. Right? The second one, calculate the amount spent by Nehal on education of children. So you can just find it out on your own. Now see the next, the third one, how much money he saved. You can try this one also. And then the fourth one, how much money he spent on grocery, shopping and education in total. So grocery I told you, shopping I told you, and you can find on education and then add all these. Now come to E part, assertion reason based question. Directions for question 1 to 2. In each of the questions given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Mark your answer as per the codes provided below. A part, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B part, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C part, A is true, but R is false. And D, A is false, but R is true. Question number 1, assertion A, rational numbers can be expressed as fractions. Yes, this is true. And reason R, the number that can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both are integers and Q is not equal to 0, is called rational number. So A is true and R is also true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So answer is A, right? Now here second question, assertion A, 5 upon 6 into 3 upon 7. इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे. We are getting 15 upon 42. Okay, right? Now cut it by 3. We are getting 5 by 14. So this statement is true. Now reason R, P upon Q multiplied by R upon S equals to P plus R upon Q plus S. No, this is wrong. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? Multiply sign. So this statement is false. So A is true but R is false. So answer is C. Okay. Now come to next subjective type questions. Here F part, solve the following word problems. The first one, are the three rational numbers minus 3 upon 7, minus 3 by 7 and 3 upon minus 7 equivalent? Here minus sign दोनों के बीच में है, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर के. here with numerator, here with denominator. So yes, these are equivalent. Okay. Now the second one, find the value of x such that minus 5 upon 12 and x upon minus 24 are equivalent rational numbers. अब आप देखो 12 है यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर 24 है, minus 24, यानी 12 twos are and here 5 into 2, right? So what will you get? You will get 10. Both are negative, हम minus कहीं भी लगा दें. So x value is 10, right? Now the third question, the sum of two rational number is given and one number is minus 8 upon 19. Find the other number. So what to do? Sum में से one number को हम minus कर देंगे. You can try this one on your own. Similarly, fourth question, the product of two rational numbers is given and the one number is minus 8 upon 6. Find the other. So other number, product divided by this number. So minus 32 upon 18 divided by minus 8 upon 6. So you can try this one on your own. I hope these are clear to you. Now we are coming to integrated question. G part, social science versus maths. About 71% of Earth's surface is made up of water bodies like ocean, lakes and rivers, etc. The remaining 29% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. The table given below shows the approximate fraction of land mass occupied by different continents. Now look at the table given below and answer these questions. So name of continents given like Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, like this, and approximate fraction of Earth's land mass. So what to do? The first one, arrange the continents according to the area of their land mass in ascending order. Okay, and similarly you can try second and third question. Right, now come to next HOTS. The first one, find a rational number which in its standard form is equal to 4 upon 5 and the sum of its numerator and denominator is 27. 4 upon 5 तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है, लेकिन हमें ऐसा फाइंड करना है रैशनल नंबर जिनका सम न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का सम क्या बनेगा 27. So 4 upon 5, so we can find equivalent like this, multiply by 2, right? 8 upon 10, but sum is 18. So let's try by 3, 4 into 3, 5 into 3, 12 upon 15. Check the sum. Now sum is 27. So yes, 12 upon 15 is the answer, right? Similarly, you can try second question. Here now third question. Arushi, Krish, Vani and Nikhil divided a box of sweets weighing 4 whole 2 by 5 kg equally among themselves. So how many kg of sweet did each get? So here this is 22 upon 5 kg divided by 4, right? So 22 upon 5 into 1 by 4, cut it by 2. So 11 upon 10 kg, each will get 11 upon 10 kg, right? Now we are coming to word stock, rational, fraction, integer, natural, equivalent, terminating, repeat, compare, require, inverse, reciprocal and divide. Now this is the activity time objective to represent a given rational number on a number line. Now, prerequisite knowledge. The first one, concept of rational numbers. The second, concept of a number line. Materials required, a ruler, strips of paper, a pencil and an eraser. Now, preparation for the activity. Teacher may prepare small strips of paper with any rational number written on it according to the number of students in the class. Place all the strips in a box and ask the students to pick any one strip from it and represent the given rational number on a number line. See procedure. The first one, pick a strip with a rational number written on it from the box. Let the rational number be -2 upon -5. The second one, write the value of numerator and denominator in the observation table. We have to make an observation table. Here rational number, then numerator, then denominator and then standard form. So numerator is -2, denominator is -5 and standard form is 2 upon 5, right? Now the third step, write the given rational number in the standard form and then represent it on a number line as shown below. So हमें represent करना है 2 upon 5 को number line पर. So you know very well this number lying between 0 and 1. तो हम क्या करेंगे 0 और 1 के बीच में 5 equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 1 and 2. So this point Q represents 2 upon 5. Fine. Now the fourth one, repeat step 1 to step 3 for other rational numbers and complete the observation table. So very interesting. You can try with your friends. So I hope this is clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.